Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Ever feel like your phone's lagging or your battery disappears faster than your salary on payday? Well, chances are a bunch of apps are secretly running in the background. But before we dive in, here's what we will cover. Step 1. Who is partying in the background? Step 2. Dig deeper, the hidden ones. Step 3. Hit the brakes. And lastly, bonus tip and warning. So are you ready to expose those sneaky apps and shut them down? Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Who is partying in the background? Let us see which apps are still open behind your back. Swipe up, hold from the bottom of the screen, or hit that little square or three-line button. You know the one. Boom. These are the apps still chilling in memory. Now give them the boot. Swipe them up one by one like you are cleaning out gas after a party. Or if your phone shows close all, tap it like a boss. Step 2. Dig deeper, the hidden ones. Okay, those were the obvious ones. Now let's talk about the apps that are quietly sipping your battery juice in the background. Head over to Settings. Scroll down and tap Apps, aka the list of suspects. Now scroll through and pick an app. Let us say Chrome, because Chrome always doing the most. Tap it, then scroll down, see that magic button, or stop. Step number 3, hit the brakes. Tapping for stop is like telling the app, okay buddy, take a nap. You've done enough today. Confirm it with OK, and boom, it is shut down. No worries, you are not deleting the app. You're just keeping it from draining your phone's soul. Bonus tip and warning. Don't go wild, though. Don't force stop apps you don't recognize or system apps. You might stop something important, like your alarm. Stick to social media, games, or browsers you are not using at the moment. And there you go. Your phone's now cleaner, faster, and battery friendlier. Those sneaky background apps handled. If this video helped, give it a like. Tap subscribe and hit that bell button so you won't miss more awesome Android tips. Get a question or want to vent about your laggy phone? Drop it in the comments. We read them all. Thank you so much for watching Wireless Solutions, where we turn tech trouble into tech triumphs. See you in the next one. Bye for now.